Day 3 of the blackout. Your throat is like sandpaper. You can survive weeks without food. But without water, your body shuts down in 72 hours. Desperate people make fatal mistakes. They drink from stagnant pools, or worse, they drink seawater. Pathogens and salt will kill you faster than the thirst. You do not need a heavy, expensive water filter. You just need the sun. Welcome to Grid Zero. Today, we are building a solar still. It turns toxic sludge, urine, or ocean water into pure, distilled drinking water using zero electricity. Let us build. Here is your $0 supply list: a digging tool, an empty cup, a clear plastic sheet, and a small pebble. Step 1. Find an area exposed to direct sunlight. Dig a hole in the dirt, about 3 feet wide and 2 feet deep. Step 2. Place your empty cup directly in the center of the hole. Now, add your moisture source to the bottom of the hole, around the cup. Never inside it. You can use chopped green leaves, salt water, or even toxic mud. Step 3. Cover the hole completely with your clear plastic sheet. Seal the edges heavily with dirt and rocks. No air can escape. Step 4. This is the most crucial part. Place one small rock exactly in the center of the plastic sheet, directly above your cup. This creates an inverted cone. The trap is set. Here is the flawless physics of the solar still. The sun turns the hole into a greenhouse. The dirty water heats up and evaporates into pure vapor. Heavy metals, salt, and bacteria cannot evaporate. They are left behind in the dirt. The pure vapor hits the cooler plastic and turns back into water drops. Because of the angle created by your pebble, gravity pulls the drops down to the center point. Before you walk away, listen closely. Amateurs make 3 fatal mistakes that turn this trap into a grave. Mistake number 1, using poisonous plants for moisture. If you chop up toxic leaves, the dangerous oils can vaporize and drip right into your clean cup. You will poison yourself. Mistake number 2, a weak seal. If your dirt edge has even a tiny gap, the vapor escapes into the wind. Your cup will stay bone dry. Pack the dirt tight. Mistake number 3, impatience. Do not open the plastic to check your progress. Every time you lift the sheet, you lose all the heat and vapor. You reset the clock. Leave it alone until the sun goes down, and drop by drop, it falls into your cup. Walk away. Do not break the seal. Come back at sunset. Carefully remove the rock and peel back the plastic. You now have distilled, life-saving water. No chemicals, no boiling, just science. Surviving is not about fighting nature. It is about using it. Now that you have water, you need to eat. Click the video on your screen to learn how to build a $0 passive fish trap out of trash. Stay hidden. Stay prepared. This is Grid Zero. Out.